I heard that it's Halloween at Aldi, so let's go check it out. Okay, so these mini cupcakes are super cute. I'm not gonna get them. They're only $3.49, but if you need like a birthday treat for your kid's class, these would be great. Okay, so I buy this beef biltong every time I come here. I buy usually like 2 bags of each. There's a chili lime, and then there's also a just original. Both of them are good. It's not super spicy, but I personally like this better than beef jerky. I'm gonna get some today because we have a little road trip later to go to the Chappell Roan concert. I didn't realize that Aldi carried Takis. I would have to price these with Walmart and see if they're cheaper. It's $3.69 for like a 10-ounce bag, but I don't know. Are your kids obsessed with Takis or is it just mine? Okay, so I've had this before. This is like the prepared chicken pad thai. All you have to do is heat it up in a skillet. It's not super cheap. It's $9.99. I would say you can get a good like 2 servings for lunch out of this, but if you're looking for a quick lunch, I highly recommend that. I haven't tried the Korean barbecue beef udon, but that one looks good as well. These little snack packs are on sale right now for $2.75, which I think is a really good price comparatively. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of these. There's pepperoni, prosciutto, and salami. And then Connor loves these pickles, so I'm gonna get a box of these. They don't sell these at my Walmart, so I grab them every time I come here. I'm not gonna buy any right now because I have some at home, but if you guys like burrata, Aldi is a great place to get it. It's only $4.89. The same size container at Hy-Vee is $7.99. One thing you should know about me is that I like love Halloween. I grew up in an evangelical cult and we were not allowed to celebrate Halloween. It was like the devil, you know, devil worshiping holiday. So I always love to like decorate for Halloween. I love to dress up for Halloween. I love to help my kids find cool costumes. So I'm excited to see what Aldi has. We're not there yet. A couple more aisles. Aldi is also a great place if your kids like the applesauce pouches to get these. I usually buy them at Walmart. Walmart has strawberry and regular, but Aldi has regular and cinnamon, but they're great for lunch boxes. Okay, so they have freeze-dried strawberries in individual pouches. There's 6 pouches in there for $6.99. They're a little bit pricey, but I think these might be newer. And then they also have dark chocolate covered freeze-dried strawberries for $3.49. These are a little bit cheaper. I think they have bananas too. I might try these. All right, so if you guys are looking for a 5-foot posable skeleton, they got them at Aldi. Okay, so this is technically for like outdoor tools, but I have something similar to this in my pantry to like clip up my brooms and mops and stuff. Highly recommend something like this if you need a way to like organize all of that stuff. I've got tons of different decor, a fog machine, a bat spotlight. Oh, these little, look at these Halloween string lights. I actually might get some of these. They're only $4.99. We've got these cute floating witch hats. These are candles. Oh, those are cute. I might get some. I'm gonna get this apple cider one because it smells the best. These are cute little flocked pumpkins. I literally need more pumpkins. Like I need a hole in my head, so I'm not getting those. Connor really loves these prime drinks, so I'm gonna get a couple of these. I don't know if they're like Halloween special. It says they're glowberry. Aldi is also a really great place to get like your Halloween candy, and also if you need treats for your kids' class, they have all kinds of, not just candy, but they've got like pretzels, Rice Krispie treats, Fun Dip, Nerds, gummy clusters, all kinds of cool stuff. This is super cute too. It is like Halloween shaped pasta, $2.49. I don't know, I might grab that. It might be cute. This is cute too if you have younger kids. A Halloween countdown library. I don't know exactly what it is. Oh, it's just like an advent calendar for Halloween. They also have dog costumes, which I don't think they go up to extra large because I was looking in the ad. I don't know if a large would fit my dogs. I don't know, let me look. I feel like maybe this is new at Aldi. I don't know, you guys can let me know, but I don't think I've ever seen this before. It's pulled rotisserie chicken. You get 1 pound for $8. How cute is this? They have the charcuterie shop. It's got all kinds of like salami and spreads, olives, different types of crackers. So cute. This is like the pumpkin spice section. Pumpkin spice everything. So obviously the frozen section is one of my favorites at Aldi. They've got these smoothie cubes, which Connor has been obsessed with smoothies lately, so I might try one of these. If your kids like French toast sticks, highly recommend these. They have extra protein in them, and if you put them in the air fryer, they're really good. Okay, so I feel like these twice baked potatoes are like a blast from the past. I used to eat these all the time when I was in high school because they were super easy and you could just like heat them up in the microwave. Okay, they have spicy chicken patties. Actually, I'm gonna get these because my kids love spicy chicken sandwiches. Oh my God, how cute are these? They have ghost pizzas and pumpkin pizzas. Oh my God, they're so cute. Okay, so Factor is sponsoring today's video, so thank you to them. They're coming in so clutch today because I have to leave in like 30 minutes to head out to the concert. So I'm gonna heat this one up. I've never tried this one before. It's chicken Florentine with spinach and garlic chili cauliflower. Delicious. So Factor has chef prepared meals that you can heat up in your microwave in just 2 minutes. It's seriously the best thing ever. One of the reasons that I love Factor is that even though I love cooking, it takes the stress out of meal planning and really sets me up for success in terms of my lunches when I'm working from home. I can skip the grocery store and prep work and instead get these chef-crafted, dietitian-approved meals. I always choose the ones that are higher in protein, and they are always, always delicious. Factor is also super flexible, and they have tons of different options for any dietary needs that you have on their site, and every single meal I've tried from them has been delicious. So if you guys want to try Factor, now is the perfect time. You can head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code Chapin50 to get 50% off your first Factor box. And then you're also going to get 20% off your next month of orders. That's code Chapin50 at factor75.com to get 50% off your first box plus 20% off your next month of orders. If you guys haven't tried it out yet, I seriously encourage you to do it. I know you are going to love it. It is so convenient and delicious. Oh my God, you guys, this is so good. The sauce that the chicken is in, and then like the cauliflower on the side. I'm gonna combine a little bit for the perfect bite. Trust me when I say, like, I seriously have never had a bad meal from them. And sometimes people wanna know too, like, is the chicken ever like tough or dry when you reheat it? No, absolutely not, it's delicious. Okay, so while I'm waiting on my food to be ready, I wanted to show you guys what I got. This is gonna be a very disorganized haul because I need to go shortly. I don't really have time to organize everything. So I got Connor one of these Lunchables because he wants to pack his lunch tomorrow, and I told him I would get something easy for him. I got 2 bags of the original beef biltong, and then 2 more bags of the chili lime beef biltong. I got 3 of these little snack packs. One is the pepperoni, mozzarella, and olives. One is prosciutto and breadsticks. Hi, what is your... And then one is the hard salami. We got the Nerds gummy clusters, and then I haven't had a Reese's pumpkin yet this year, so I couldn't resist that. I got a few packs of these paper bowls. These are super convenient to keep around. And then I showed you guys the smoothie cubes, the hot chicken. I did end up getting this costume for Milo. I don't have time to put it on. I'm gonna show you guys right now, but I'll show it to you in a different video. You want that? You're gonna look so cute. I thought these were cute too. Spooky chicken nuggets. So I got a bag of those. The chocolate covered freeze-dried strawberries. I love it when they have like the Chobani yogurt on sale. This one is apple pie a la mode. So I got 2 of those. Granola bars. Adam was talking the other night. He's like, did you know they make the sparkling ice in Starburst flavors? And I'm like, yeah, I feel like I've bought it before. But he couldn't remember that. So I got 2 of the cherry and 2 of the strawberry. Obviously the superior flavors. I showed you guys the prime that I got. Just a can of Pringles, the Halloween pasta, and then also the snack packs. Pickle snack packs. Oh, and I almost forgot the little Halloween string lights. Sit. Sit. I don't think he likes it. Sit. You like it? No, you don't. Okay, so I told you guys we were going to the Chappell Roan concert tonight. I bought tickets like, I don't know, maybe like 3 or 4 weeks ago. First of all, she's gonna be in Iowa, Council Bluffs, Iowa, which is like clear on the other side of the state. But like, when does any concert ever come to Iowa? Never. Not true, because I did see some concerts when I was in college in Cedar Rapids, but and Kira was like so excited to be able to go. So one thing about me as a mom is that if my kid is doing well in school, I will pull them out of school for an experience like this, even if it's just a concert or whatever. Because like Kira, for example, she gets straight A's, which I'm very proud of her, and she's also like smart. She's in AP classes, so I don't really have any concern about her you know, like doing poorly in school. So like to pull her or Connor, whoever, out of school for like half a day for something that's like super fun and she'll remember for the rest of her life, like I have no issue doing that. I know some parents will probably disagree with me, but like my kids have good attendance other than that, so it's not something I'm like super concerned about. So anyway, I'm going to pick her up right now. I already like packed all my stuff this morning. We're only going to be gone for one night, and then we'll come back tomorrow. We'll leave early so that they can get to school at like a decent time in the morning. This is homecoming week, so you know, they have the football game tomorrow night and then the homecoming dance on Saturday. So it's going to be a busy week. But I also love Chappell Roan's songs, even at my old ass age of 41. So I'm also excited to go. I think, I forget what the theme Kira told me is for tonight's concert, but it's like, I don't know. I'm a Swiftie. I'm not a huge, like, I'm obviously a Chappell Roan fan, but I'm like not into the lore as much as like some people are, obviously. Let me text Kira and tell her I'm here. Anyway, the theme is like red, like a devil worship. No, like red devil stuff. I forget the song. Anyway, I'll show you my outfit. And maybe Kira's outfit if she'll let me. I don't know. She doesn't like to be on camera, so we'll see. Okay, so since this was going to be an outdoor concert and I knew I was going to be there for a long time, I just wanted to be super comfortable. So I just ordered this Good Luck Babe t-shirt off Amazon. I will find it and link it down below, along with this trucker hat. I just Googled red trucker hat and ordered the Marlboro one because I thought it was funny. And then I got some sunglasses and some earrings. And yeah, that was it. We had a ton of fun. Let me know in the comments below if you guys were there too. I know some people from the Midwest were because I posted on Instagram, but thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.